Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can use the green screen overlay in CapCut. So if you want to fit your video into a green screen overlay, here's how to do it. First, add the main video. I've already added one, and then go to overlay, add overlay, and then choose your green screen overlay. So in this case, for example, I'm going to fit the video into this green screen. Click on add. Okay, so now the green screen overlay has been added. I'm going to trim it so that it fits the duration of the main clip. And now click on the green screen, fit the size. Okay, I'm going to fit the size like this. And then go to cutout and remove the green screen by using the chroma key. So adjust or drag the color picker into the green screen and adjust the intensity and also the shadow. Click on a check icon. And in here, to fit the size, you can just adjust the main video. So I'm going to make it smaller, the main video, so that it fits into the phone screen like this. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also click on the thanks button. Bye.